Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Valentine's Day mystery box. I did pick up one of the mystery boxes this time. I originally wasn't going to get one at all just because, I don't know, I've been getting them like every time they launch, and this time I just didn't really want to spend the money on it. So I didn't immediately like go to the website when they launched. I went on a few hours after they launched and there were still the premium boxes left. So I decided to just pick up one of those boxes. So yeah, I'm going to be unboxing one of the premium boxes for you guys today. Before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I just recently had a really big giveaway. It has ended now. It just ended like 2 days ago at the time of filming this video. I know a lot of you guys are going to be asking me who won that giveaway. I normally email or message the winner and then I wait for them to respond before I announce the winner because things can get kind of like messy if the winner doesn't respond and then I have to pick a new winner. So it's just easier to wait for the winner to respond before I announce who won the giveaway. But yeah, since that giveaway has ended, I am going to have a new giveaway up very soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I do have my premium box right here. I love the boxes this time. I think they're so cute. I believe there was the white one and then a red one and then a pink one, which I thought was really cute for Valentine's Day. All right, so the premium box cost $60. It says that it contains 4 items. It has 3 exclusive items, and it says that the value of this box is $105. I am really curious to see what's in this box. I haven't opened it at all. Jeffree Star did post on Twitter that those of us getting the premium box were gonna be like, I don't know, like shook or really excited. I can't remember exactly what he said. I think it's been really hard for me since the Halloween boxes because those were so amazing. I wasn't that impressed with the holiday boxes, so I don't know, I'm kind of nervous to open this up. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys what's in here. This is probably gonna go really quick since there's only 4 things in here. One more thing before I open the box, I want to just say that these boxes have like shipped out so much faster than the holiday ones. I felt like my holiday boxes took so long to get here, and this one got here like super fast. All right, so here is how it came packaged. Normally they have like everything like covered up, but I can already see the top 2 things in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with this. This is a little beanie. Now I do think this is cute, but I don't really see myself wearing this. I don't know, I'm not sure. Like I feel like this is actually really cute. My only problem is that it has like the Valentine's hearts on it, and they do say Jeffree Star, which is adorable, but you could really only wear this like in the month of February. Like I don't picture myself wearing a hat like this like any other month besides February. But yeah, I think this is really cute. We haven't gotten like a beanie or anything in the boxes. So yeah, I think this is a good idea for the boxes. I think it would be even cuter if it was like a hot pink. I don't normally wear like a bright red like this, but yeah, this is pretty cute. All right, so the next thing in the box is this gloss right here. This is an exclusive shade, and this is in the shade Succulent. This looks really pretty, and it actually looks really wearable. I only own like one of his lip glosses, I'm pretty sure, and it's like a clear shade with like some blue like flecks in it. Ooh, this shade looks so pretty. I'm gonna have to show you guys a close-up of this. This shade is seriously like stunning. So it's like a pink lip gloss with like bluish purple little flecks in here. This is really exciting. I love when he does like wearable shades, and the Jeffree Star lip gloss formula is really good. I'm actually glad that the exclusive this time is a lip gloss and not one of his velour liquid lipsticks, because I feel like every time it's been like a liquid lipstick. So I'm excited to get a gloss instead. I also think the outer packaging of this is really pretty. I love the like metallic red with the pink writing. Super cute. All right, the next thing we got is a pop socket. If you guys have watched my like previous Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing videos, you guys know that I am not a big fan of these pop sockets. Like I feel like they're just, I don't know, they're just not something that I use. I feel like it's kind of a cheap thing to put in the box. I'm probably gonna get like destroyed in the comments for this, but that's just my opinion. I don't like getting these. I don't think they're a good thing to put in the box. This is, I guess, one of the exclusive items. I guess all 3 of these were exclusives because I see the last thing in the box, and that's definitely not an exclusive item. But yeah, I don't know. I think that the pink is actually really cute. The colors that I've gotten in the past haven't been like super cute. I do think that the pink is cute, but once again, this is not something that I'm ever gonna like getting in the boxes. and you guys can say, oh, well, it's a mystery box, get over it, whatever, but you know, I'm allowed to have an opinion, and in my opinion, that this is not something good to get in the box. All right, so the last thing in my premium mystery box is this. I'm pretty sure this is the alien palette because it has aliens on it. I love that they like wrap up the palettes individually like this. I think that's really nice of them to do. All right, so yes, this is the alien eyeshadow palette. This palette has been discontinued along with the Thirsty palette, which I love the Thirsty palette. I don't have the alien palette. This was just never a palette that I really like wanted to buy. I don't know, maybe I'll open it up and think differently, but I will say this packaging is amazing. Like, I love how much effort he puts into his packaging. I think that this is so pretty. All right, so here are all of these shades in this palette. I just don't wear, you know, that many like green shadows. Maybe I need to branch out a little bit more. The purple in here looks gorgeous, and so does this like gray shade down here. I don't know. I can't decide if I'm going to keep this or not, but honestly, some of these shades actually do look pretty wearable. We have some nice like mattes up there that would look really good in the crease for like every day. I don't know. I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it or not, or if I'm going to put it in a giveaway, or what I'm going to do with this palette yet. I kind of want to keep it just because it has been discontinued and they're never going to make it again. So it's kind of like a little like collector's item, I guess. I don't know. I do think this is exciting to get in the box though. I love when we get eyeshadow palettes, so yeah, I think that is a really nice thing to get in a mystery box. All right, so that is everything that I got in my premium mystery box. I do feel like pretty happy about the box. There are really only two items that I'm like excited about, and that would be the lip gloss and then the alien palette. I do think that this box was worth spending $60 on it because we got an eyeshadow palette, and then his lip glosses I want to say are probably around like $18. I am not excited about the pop socket. I think this is kind of just like a waste of a product to put in a mystery box. I don't even know if he actually sells pop sockets on his website. Like, I don't think I've ever seen pop sockets on his website. I wish they would just like do away with these because, I mean, honestly, who needs this many pop sockets? And then the hat I do think is really cute. I don't know if this is really my style, but I feel like a lot of other people would look really cute in this hat. So yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet. It's not my favorite thing that we got in the box, but I'm not like mad about it. I do think it's pretty cute. So yeah, overall I am pretty happy with my box. I need to go watch some other people's unboxing videos and to see what they got in like the other two more expensive boxes. If you guys got a Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box, let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your box. I feel like there hasn't been very much variation between the boxes recently. Like, I don't remember there being a variation, like, or at least a big variation between all of the holiday boxes, but I feel like back whenever we got like summer boxes, they were all kind of different. So yeah, I'm not sure if everybody's boxes are going to be the same or different this time, but yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, before you guys go, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.